Today we are in Mount Dora, and I don't know, a few weeks ago we noticed a new car wash popped up called Sud Stop Car Wash. We have never been to a Sud Stop, but I believe there are multiple locations throughout everywhere, somewhere. And we have several car wash videos now. We find them to be hopefully helpful for others because some of them offer many different things. Like when we read online, this one apparently offers like a full spray, everything like that to clean out your car, which is what we're hoping for, because it's kind of hard to find car washes that do that these days. We do have the website pulled up, so we'll show you some of the pricing they have, and then we will drive to it, go through the car wash, see what all they have, vacuums, all that stuff, and see what we think of how it cleaned the car. And I'm not sure which package we're gonna do yet, but we'll also figure that out when we get there. Let's go check it out. Here we have it, Sud Stop Car Wash in Mount Dora, hours 7:30 to 7:30. Here is what is free: towels, air, vacuum stations, window cleaner, mat cleaners, interior cleaner. Nice. A lot of places don't have that. It is located over by like the Target. Here are unlimited wash packages. Here's their signature wash plan, which is $10 for the first 3 months. But don't let that fool you. Almost $40 after that. But you get all that stuff with it. Down below that, almost $10 for the first 3 months. A little cheaper, $36. So the difference between those: tire shine, ceramic seal, and I don't know what this thing is down here at the bottom, but a little different there. Another cheaper option, $10 first 3 months, $22 a month, which is kind of the going rate for a lot of these plans, but you can see you do get rain repellent. And then a cheaper plan, single wash, $10. So maybe we're just gonna do a single wash, so maybe we just have to do, I don't know, we'll see. But that is $19 a month. So, and that's kind of what it looks like there. You can go through a lot of stuff on the website, like your plan. They do have fleet plans, family plans. So, all right, let's go see what it does. Here we have Sud Stop Car Wash. Enter right here. Members look like they get the right lane. Oh, you can? Okay, yeah, good call. Probably won't do the $30 one. That's insane. Yeah, maybe the 15 one. Although they have the hot wax and tire shine on the 24. I think we spent about $20 at the Buc-ee's one. I think we'll do that one just to compare them. Oh, he says we can go this way. Good, how are you doing? No.
Nope. Well, you're in luck.
Perfect.
We just opened. We just had our grand opening about a week and a half ago. These are the single wash prices.
Okay.
These are the monthly plans. There's no contract. You can get this for 3 months. You put in your email and your phone number because it's a card reader. It's going to tie it to your account. You can jump on and adjust the account from here.
We're just going to do a single though today. Just this Super Sud, please.
And the Super is going to make it look really good.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah. Have a good one.
Yep.
All right, so they will try to sell you a little bit, but it's actually, if you're looking for a car wash, a pretty good deal. Let me see. Let's do this. Tim, are you able to hold this here?
You can see how dusty the dash is. It needs cleaned for sure.
Perfect. They give you a little
some little reminders. Put your car in neutral. Beat off the pedals.
We saw someone that, not here, but someone didn't
gosh.
put their car in neutral or their foot off the pedal, and it was
terrible.
in pretty bad shape.
They're bouncing all over the place.
Passing back.
Yeah.
All right, let's just watch through this and see what happens. So we ended up going with that third, or I guess it's the second to the top one, the Super Sud Wash, $24. It was just straight up $24. Mirror got knocked. Actually kind of have to go on your own because
there's telling you to go, but we're already halfway off the.
Then you can exit. We can pull in one of these, which we will do, and see what all they have.
Also, yes, we know that it was not a touchless car wash. We'll be all right.
Yep.
They did have was that a back behind us a bug debugger
Oh,
thing?
was it?
I don't know. There's something back behind us.
They do have a prep station down there at the very end. And over here, what do they got here? Is this for the mats? Looks like you can wash your mats here. I've never seen like an individual washer like that, so that's pretty neat. Now something I noticed so far, these are pretty quiet. I'm sure because they're just like brand new, but what do we have? Interior cleaner, glass cleaner, 2 different types of vacuums, towels. Let's look what's going on here. Is it nice? Oh, so it's actual spray. Got it. Okay.
Good night.
You can see, I mean, none of the dryers really dry them fully, but the nice thing about having clean towels is you can dry it off yourself. I guess the tire shine was okay. I mean, it does just like any of the other ones. It did take this mirror out, but you can see clean towels here, dirty towels going there. And the clean towels are nice because you can get all the spots off. It's also nice because it's really covered out here, so you shouldn't get the sun beating down on you. They also have air right here. And up here, some rules. So 10-minute max on a busy day. Might be loud, but you got the vacuum. So the vacuums are really loud, but they do a heck of a job. So it actually does a pretty good job, and it's got all the things you need to make your car shine up. So far impressed. Ooh, it got a little warm out there, so we've got the air going. I personally like it better than Mr. Car Washes. We've done those. They have more to offer here for really, depending on your package, about the same price. As far as the actual wash goes though, I can't see that it really did anything special.
Right.
Like,
we'll just do like the basic one.
Yeah. You could do that $15 one, and I think probably look pretty much the same as what we got now. I will say the free stuff you get, free amenities, solid. Very, very good.
Cleaners, yeah. The
I'm gonna turn
interior
this down just a
cleaner.
couple here, just so it's not so loud. There we go. The only thing is they do have some loud music at some stations because there's speakers, but it's every other station has a speaker, so one side's not very loud, the other side might be a little more loud, but yeah, I mean, I don't have any issues with
It's
it.
a better alternative.
It's better. It's probably, honestly, it's got more stuff than Buc-ee's does, which is nice. Like the towels are huge. Have towels to wipe your car off because the dryer never gets it all clean. And then the sprays. The only thing that was different with this spray, it wasn't a bottle like we've had at other ones that we like. Like with the bottle, you can actually kind of spray it where you want it. With that one, it just went.
Well, and it, I mean, like a 2-foot wingspan on that guy.
Just went rogue. Sprayed
I
everywhere.
just was spraying it on the towels.
Oh, that makes
towards
sense
the end.
too. But you got the air, glass cleaner. Yeah, I mean, looks good. I will say the Buc-ee's graphics and stuff in the actual wash and the smells you got in the wash better than this one. This was honestly just a pretty basic wash, and that's the second highest one. So
I would rather pay for glass cleaner, interior
Than a
cleaner
logo.
than a logo that floats
What?
on my windshield.
basically they need to put them together. If Buc-ee's added this to their stations, that'd be a top car wash for sure. But they don't yet. There is still one car wash. There's one in Citrus County. It's the Caliber. That right there is
It's my favorite.
our favorite car wash overall. So maybe we'll do a video there sometime. But yeah, no complaints. I will say somebody tried to vacuum at this station. They had like fries, like Wendy's fry in a Wendy's bag in the small vacuum that has it clogged. So that one actually didn't work. So I guess if you're gonna maybe vacuum, probably
Suck
throw
out big food items.
probably throw that in the trash and then vacuum so that it, because I guess maybe they come around and fix them, but unfortunately that was one thing we saw here. But overall clean, new, nice. No complaints really. So
Pretty busy.
pretty busy. And if it's too busy, 10-minute max on a busy day, which is actually kind of a nice thing to have. So anyway, I think that's gonna do it here at Sud Stop Car Wash. And if you're in the area and you want to clean your car, it's a good place to do it. So anyway, I think we're gonna call it. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.